Get rid of those coolers that allow your food go bad after storing, or drinks getting warm just when you need them cold. Say hello to the Igloo Cooler, a cooler built to last 4 to 7 days hot or cold. This is not your regular cooler. It is a trusted, durable, USA-used Igloo Cooler designed for Nigerians' hot weather, delivering premium performance at a budget-friendly price.
Wow!
Perfect for homes during power outages, food vendors, ice cream sellers, drink hawkers, restaurants, bars, event organizers, campers, picnic lovers, travelers, sporty fans, even farmers and transporters of perishable goods. No electricity? No problem. Save money, prevent food waste, and keep your items fresh for up to 7 full days.
Wow!
Why buy expensive refrigerators and fuel generators when you can own a reliable, long-lasting cooler for less? Different sizes available. Limited stock. Don't wait till it's sold out. Place your order now and enjoy true long-lasting cooling anywhere you go.